this lecture we will discuss about systems of linear equation. So first of all, what is a linear equation? So in two variable we know that the linear equation is defined as a straight line in the xy plane. For example, if we take in two variable, if we take a1 and a2 and b as a particular case, suppose we take a1 as a1 equal to 4 and a2 as 2 and b equal to 1. So we have a linear equation like 4x plus 2y equal to 1. So this is a linear equation in two variable. So in n variable we can write as a1x1 plus a2x2 plus so on plus an xn equal to b, where a1 a2 an and b are real constants and x1 x2 xn are unknowns. Okay, so we can write in n variable. So suppose we take 3 variables or 4 variable example. So just one example is x plus y plus 2z equal to 5. Okay, so this is one example in 3 variable. Another example, if we take x plus 2y plus 3z plus w equal to 7. So this is one example in 4 variable. Now what is system of linear equation? So system of linear equation consists of two or more linear equations. So here we can see that this is an arbitrary system of m linear equations in n unknowns. So here we have m equations and n unknowns, x1 x2 x3 and so on, xn are n unknowns, and we have a linear equation, m linear equation. Okay, so in particular example, if we take a system of linear equation in 3 variable. Okay, so this is one particular example. So this is one example which has 3 unknowns and 3 equations. Okay. So now we have two type of system of linear equation. One is homogeneous and second is non-homogeneous. So what is homogeneous system of linear equation? Here all bi's are 0. Okay, and in non-homogeneous system of linear equation we have at least one bi as non-zero. Okay, if we take particular example, so suppose we have this example, 2x minus y equal to 0 and x plus 3y equal to 0. So in 3 variable we can also see that x plus y plus z equal to 0, 2x plus y minus z equal to 0, to 0. So this is a system of linear equation in 3 variable, and this is homogeneous system of linear equation because all bi's are 0, b1 b2 b3 all bi's are 0. And here in non-homogeneous system of linear equation we have these all bi's are non-zero. In 3 variable we have one example like x plus 2y plus z equal to 10, 2x minus y plus z equal to 0, and x plus y minus z equal to 5. Okay, so this is non-homogeneous system of linear equation because here bi's are non-zero. Suppose if we take here as 0, then also it is a non-homogeneous system of linear equation because here we at least one bi is as non-zero. Okay, so this is the difference between homogeneous system of linear equation and non-homogeneous system of linear equation. Now we come to the what is solution of a system. The solution of a system of linear equation is a list S1, S2, Sn of numbers that makes each equation a true statement when the values S1, S2, Sn are substituted for x1, x2, xn. So what is solution of system of linear equation? If we have n variables, okay, we have n variables, then we have numbers, list of numbers like s1, s2, sn. So for each x1, x2, xn we have one particular number. Suppose for x1 we have s1, and x2 we have s2, and xn we have sn. So in system of linear equation, if we substitute s1, s2, sn in place of x1, x2, xn, then our equation would be a true statement. जैसे यहाँ पे हम इस एग्जाम्पल में देख सकते हैं कि ये हमारा सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन दिया गया है इन टू वेरिएबल. यहाँ पे दो वेरिएबल हैं x और y. तो यहाँ पे जो -3 और 1 ये हमारा सोल्यूशन होगा इस इक्वेशन का, इस सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन का. बट 2 और 6 इस सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन का सोल्यूशन नहीं होगा. वो क्यों नहीं होगा? क्योंकि सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन का सोल्यूशन होने के लिए ये जो हमारा ये -3 और 1, x1 की जगह हम -3 रखेंगे और x2 की जगह हम 1 रखेंगे, तो ये हमारे दोनों इक्वेशन को ट्रू स्टेटमेंट में चेंज करना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे जब हम ये इस पॉइंट को हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में रखते हैं, फॉर पॉइंट -3 and 1, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बिकम ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. सो इफ वी पुट -3 in place of x and 1 in place of y, so we have this true statement. So this point, true statement means this point satisfies this equation, and similarly this point satisfies this equation. But this is not the solution of this system of linear equation because this point satisfies first equation but not second equation. So for solution of a system, that point should satisfy both the equation. Okay, so here we have two variable, so this point satisfies these two variable. If we suppose we have system of linear equation in 3 variable, so and 3 equation, then our point will satisfy all these 3 equation. Okay. So this is the solution of a system. Now we will see the solution of the given system by graphical method. So by graphical method, what we will do, we draw the first line. Okay. So for first line, the graph would be this is a straight line. So 2x minus y equal to 6 is shown by this line. Similarly, for second graph, x plus 3y equal to 10, we have this straight line. So these two straight line intercept at this point. So this is the solution of these this system of okay. So 4-2 is a solution of this system. So why this is the solution of system? Because it satisfies both these equations. So we can see that this 4-2, when we substitute x1 as 4 and y as 2, so these two equation become the true statement. Okay. So this is the system of this is the solution of this system. So here we can see that these two straight line intersect at one point. Okay, so this solution become the unique solution of this system of linear. Now in second example, in this example we have the same method, graphical method, and we draw these two lines. So in this example we can see that the graph of the first equation x minus 3y minus 1 will be this straight line, and also the graph of 2x minus 6y minus 2. So these two equations are identical, so the graph must be identical. So there are an infinite number of solutions to the system, so all the points in the on the line become the solution of this system. Okay, so this is the example when the system of equation has infinitely many solutions. So these infinite points satisfies both the equations. Okay, so we have infinitely many solutions. Now third example, in third example we can see that these two lines minus x plus 3y equal to 6 and 3x minus 9y equal to 9. So first graph minus x plus 3y equal to 6, we have this straight line, and for second graph, second line 3x minus 9y equal to 9, we have this straight line. So these two straight line does not intersect with each other. So these are parallel line. So parallel line means there is no point which satisfies both the equation. Okay, so in this example, there is no solution. Okay, so because no point satisfies both the equations, so there is no solution for this system of linear equation. So for this system we have no solution. So we can see that with these three examples that our system can be inconsistent, or consistent. So when the system is inconsistent, when system has no solution. So in the last example we have seen that when lines are parallel with each other, so the system has no solution. So for no solution we say that the system is inconsistent. And in the previous two example we have seen that when system has one solution, when two straight line intersect at one point. So then we have one solution. It is also called a unique solution. And in the second example, we have seen that when lines are identical with each other, then we have infinite many solution. So in the both type of solution, we have we can say that the system is consistent. So in when system is consistent, either it has one solution or it has infinitely many solution. So we have discussed so far. First, the system of linear equation. What is system of linear equation? And this system of linear equation are two types. One is non-homogeneous and second is homogeneous. So in homogeneous system, we have always one solution. Why? Because what is homogeneous system? We have homogeneous system like that: x plus 2y plus z equal to 0, x minus y plus z equal to 0, 3x plus y plus 2z equal to 0. So there is always one solution. When we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0, then it satisfies this system of linear equation, this homogeneous system of linear equation. So we have always a solution like x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. So this is called the trivial solution. And second is non-trivial solution. Either so this system, this homogeneous system, either has zero solution or non-zero solution. So if it has zero solution, then it is called trivial solution, and if it has a non-zero solution, then it is called non-trivial solution. So this is infinite solution actually. And second type of system of linear equation is non-homogeneous equation. So in these three example, we have two situation. One is consistent and second is inconsistent. Okay. So consistent means either we have finite solution, or we can say that one solution, or we have infinite solution. So inconsistent, we have two situations, and for inconsistent, we have one situation like no solution. Okay, so in this lecture, we have discussed about what is system of linear equation, types of system of linear equation, that is non-homogeneous system of linear equation and homogeneous system of linear equation, and what is the possible solution of system of linear equation. So in case of non-homogeneous system, we have two possibility: either system is consistent or system is inconsistent. And in homogeneous case, we have always a solution: either it is trivial solution or it is non-trivial solution. So thank you.